How's everything? All right. Okay. In our today's lecture, we will cover our next chapter, chemistry, that is surface chemistry. So guys, if you like my previous video, then subscribe my YouTube channel. So now the time to start surface chemistry. So first of all, we will define the adsorption. So what is adsorption? Phenomena of accumulation higher concentration of molecules on surface is called absorption. This is the diagram of adsorption in which the particles are accumulate on the surface of the object. And now we have absorption. This is adsorption and this is, guys, adsorption are of two types, that is adsorbate and adsorbent. What are adsorbate? Substance on which adsorption take place, means adsorption take place on substance is called adsorbate. And what is adsorbent? In which substance on which particles accumulate at surface, in which accumulate at surface. So this is adsorption and this is the part of adsorption, that is adsorbate and adsorbent. Now we have adsorption, that is absorption. Phenomena in which the concentration of adsorbate is uniform in bulk. Concentration of adsorbate is uniform. Now we have a very important point, that is adsorption is exothermic, means there is a releasing of heat in adsorption. For example, water vapor adsorbed by silica gel. Now we have term sorption. What is sorption? When adsorption or absorption happen simultaneously. This term is called sorption. And what is desorption? Desorption is removing of adsorbate substance from the surface is known as desorption. I hope you all are very well understand about this. Now the next topic is types of adsorption, that is physisorption and chemisorption. So what is physisorption? Physical adsorption due to weak van der Waals forces is called physisorption. And chemisorption, chemical absorbent due to strong chemical forces is called chemisorption. Now we have very important question, that is difference between physisorption and chemisorption. Now let's see. First of all, we will discuss about physical adsorption. So in physical adsorption, the forces of attraction between adsorbate and adsorbent are van der Waals forces. It is reversible in nature. It generally take place at low temperature and form multimolecular layer of adsorbate. Whereas chemical absorption is, in chemical adsorption, the forces of attraction between adsorbate and adsorbent are chemical forces due to strong bond formation, and this is reversible in nature and it takes place at a high temperature, forms only monomolecular layer. This is our question, the difference between physical adsorption and chemical adsorption. Now move on next topic, that is catalyst. So what is catalyst? We listen this word very times. So that is catalyst. A catalyst is a substance that can change the rate of reaction. Catalyst is a substance that can change the rate of reaction. So catalysts are of two types. The first is homogeneous and next one is heterogeneous. Homogeneous, it if reactant and catalyst are in same phase, means they all are in same phase. And heterogeneous is opposite of homogeneous, if reactant and catalyst are in different phase. This is the question catalyst and is very important topic. Now we have to read next topic, that is shape selective catalyst. The catalytic reaction that depend upon the pore structure of the catalyst and size of reactant and product molecule is known as shape selective catalyst. Now the term is emulsion. Emulsion. So anybody know about it? Emulsion are colloids in which both the dispersed phase and dispersion medium are liquid. I will repeat again. Emulsion are collide in which both the dispersed phase and dispersion medium are liquid. So we have two types of emulsion, that is oil in water emulsion and water in oil emulsion. Emulsion. Two type, oil in water and water in oil. We can represent it by OW and WO. So what is oil in water emulsion? In this type of emulsion, oil is dispersed phase and water is in dispersion medium. Means in this type, oil is in dispersed phase and water is dispersion medium. I think, are you getting my point? So this is water in oil, WO. In this type of emulsion, water is the dispersed phase and oil is the dispersion medium. This is opposite of oil in water. Now we have given examples are, example is milk and vanishing cream, etc. Whereas in the examples of oil, water in oil is cod liver or cold cream. Now we have completed our topic emulsion. Now we can move on next topic. All right. So one question is, what does the role of adsorption in heterogeneous catalyst? As a result of adsorption, the concentration of reactant molecule on the surface increase and hence the rate of reaction increase. I will repeat again. The concentration of reactant molecules on the surface increase and hence the rate of reaction increase. Now one more question is, what do you understand by activation energy? Term activation energy. Okay. So activation of adsorbent means the increasing of the adsorbing power of the adsorbent. It can be achieved by using one or more of the following method. So our first method is by taking in finally divided form. Second method is by desorption. What is desorption of reacting species? And last one is by making rough surface of adsorbent. So this is very important question, so you can write down. Guys, this is sufficient for this chapter. So I hope you all are understand very well. This is just a quick reason by which you can understand in a better way. Guys, I will make next video as soon as possible. So buddies, please stay tuned till then when my next video is came. So guys, thanks for watching.